show! Today we're going to make Funfetti Cupcakes. First, we pour in the pink batter. It smells just like strawberries. I really like it. Time to pour it in. Now it's time to put a cup of water. To put a quarter cup of vegetable oil. Now my mom helped me with the 2 cups of flaxseed. And the next ingredient is applesauce. You need a grown-up's vision to do this. Whoa. Here's what it looks like close up. Time to put the batter into these little cups. Scoop of batter. Before we did this, my mom put the oven to 350 degrees. So now get your parent to put the cupcakes inside the oven. Bake these cupcakes for about 20 minutes. While we're waiting, let's do a dance party. Now that the cupcakes are done baking and cooling off, it's time to frost. Okay, time to put all these cool, fun sprinkles. First I'm going to put these on. I'm going to get some big bulbs. There's the sprinkle it on. We'll need more of those big bulbs. Because I really I guess that's fun. You can pop them onto the cupcake. You can see, guys, I really love my sugar. Time for the taste test. I'm going to pick these things up. Let's peel off the packaging. This is so yummy.